is. What is it? Bloody 2 hours to get this full bar put back in place. Boosh. So look at this. The boys have turned up in full force. Here we go. Basically, this obviously is all coming out, as we know. Here's Pippa Brown, she's super excited. Got Rob, health and safety Rob. And as we all know, we've got Burnout Bush.
When's the water turned off?
On the tap, mate, you just turn that tap.
No, follow the tap.
We've got Mum. What are we saying, Mum?
That's a big old car, isn't it?
A big car?
I'm joking.
A big car?
I was making a joke.
What's the process next, mate? What's the next process?
The back bar's going in.
What do you reckon, Albert? Bush never graphs, does he? What is it? Blah, blah. It's actually mental to see Bushy work. First teething problem. Jesus Christ. Good, yeah. Whee. Yeah, let's have it open. Bash, bash, bash. Let's have it, boy. Where are we going, Bert? Tip, this is obviously our old bar. Pretty excited for the new one coming in. Going to make things super efficient, way better. Obviously with Albert driving, not Charlotte, it'll take us to get round. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Right, so we've got quite a big problem here.
Bushy's stopped off site.
Bushy's actually going off site. He's unhappy because the progress has been pretty poor. What's the actual issue, Rob?
Bushy, it's Monday, he doesn't really like working Mondays, he's been forced to get here.
Quarter 11, we're done for the day, we'll be back in the morning.
Yeah. Right, so quick interview. We've got the new bar going in, right? What are you most excited about?
Probably the coffee machine in the bar. That would be so nice.
Yeah.
That's my answer as well.
That's your answer too, yeah? All right, what are you most conscious about?
The height of it. I just got
Both stand up, girls, stand up. Both stand up.
On me. So Maddie's like, yeah, it's about here for me. I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
She'd be like, hey guys.
Quick one. So just a run through what we've got going on. We've got people checked out at 10:30, so we've got to have the bar done. We've got 2 hours to get this full bar put back in place. The boys are back. So we're halfway between, we've got check-ins in about half an hour.
Yes.
Everyone's flat out work on it. Chris is probably on the beers. Yeah, this is what it's looking at so far. Looking pretty, it's actually massive. It's like twice the size of our other bar. What's happening, Bush?
Go away, you piss off for your camera.
No. The bar doesn't quite fit, so Rob's just jigging it up a little bit like. This is the way to my heart, a cup of tea. So here we go. The bar is finished and installed, and we are unbelievably excited. So we're just going to run through a few things about the bar, really.
Yeah.
Warren, are you happy?
Am I happy?
Yeah.
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 What was it?
Apart from it being big and fancy and shiny and it was super expensive, what's the best things about it?
Got a coffee machine.
Oh.
I get it on more.
Oosh! And for those who didn't know, we actually didn't have a coffee machine in here. The coffee machine used to be all the way through in the back of there. So we were making coffee. It's our shop, by the way, everyone. We were making coffees over there, which was just
Nightmare.
yeah.
Ordering at the bar, running through there, making a coffee, bringing it back, forgot the sugar, it's through there.
Yeah. Oh, man, I know what you can show them. Pour us a pint, Maddie. Go on. Why not? Let's have a halfie. Yeah, I'm not a big drinker, so here we go. Look at the way she's holding the glass. Not sure if that's a
Perfect.
bash. Thank you very much.
There you go. Yeah.
It's pretty good. Someone's actually ordered coffee, so we'll have a little run through with Maddie and how we're making a coffee. What are we making, Mads?
We're doing a latte and an Americano.
A latte. She's a Yorkshire lass, as our Maddie. A latte. Big shout out to Lonton's Coffee, who always sorts us out. Right, come on, Mads. Maddie makes out that she's the best at making coffees. I'd like to see some lovely. Let's go something simple. Because you've been away for a week. Let's just do a love heart.
Just a love heart.
Yeah, the swan can come later. So last time I showed you guys around the back of the bar, and it was like nothing there, no prep, no anything. You couldn't do an awful lot, but now, we've basically got all this amazing prep work. We've got the sum up and the iPad for all the bookings. This gives us loads of space to work and prep. So we basically have pizza making up there. Big shout out to Diavolo, because they handed us these ovens to use, so that was very, very kind of them. So
it's got a glass wash behind the bar as well.
Glass wash, oh my god, we've got a glass wash behind the bar. That is crazy. We've actually got a glass wash. That glass wash is boom, washing the glasses. That is on it. But yeah, Jim's in there. Yeah, on a whole, I think we're like a lot happier, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, way happier. Look how nice it looks. The only thing we're waiting to get is the bar stools. So we're gonna get like 1, 2, 3. We think we can get 8 people down here, like real fancy ones, but we can't find any. So if anyone wants to help find some bar stools, let us know. We're gonna do a takeover of the vlog camera tonight, so you don't get bored listening to me yapping on the whole time. So who have we got on the takeover tonight?
Got Abby. Abby is the she's buff. Got Pippa. I think B might be in maybe. Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that'll be pretty fun.
So when the
like.
when the vlog camera starts going a little bit wild, and no doubt they'll be doing funny things like dancing. They'll just be having a ball, because here at Kipper Nook, we literally, I know it's super quiet now, but it is super fun. We all enjoy working here. Do we? Do we enjoy working here?
Come to my head.
Yeah, do we or not? Do we not? Do we not? But yeah, we all enjoy working here. We have fun, we have a laugh, and yeah. So the girls can have a takeover. So coming in now is a takeover.
As Ben would say, we are getting it vibey in here. God, we just love it here on a Friday night in the new bar. Right guys, I've got a vlog takeover. I'm gonna make probably the most popular cocktail of the summer. We're gonna make an Aperol Spritz. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm doing my Aperol Spritz tutorial. Yeah, just a double of Aperol, double of Prosecco, top it up with soda water, and then my favourite part is the garnish. A nice fresh orange slice for the summer. Oh, look at that, so good. My 2 Aperol Spritzes looking gorgeous. Mate, this song is so good. Pineapple. Gorgeous. Look. I've never seen this before. Wow. Oh my goodness, what have we got here? We've got pepperoni and a cheesy garlic bread.
Thank you for watching the bar installation. I'm just laughing because who watches the bar installation? Basically tomorrow the boys are going to come down in some paramotors, which are big fixed wings with motors on the back. So we're going to vlog it. See you next time. Boosh.